No making fun of people is the fourth rule. Yeah. And the fifth rule, what's your favorite Genshin Impact character?
One of the Sims.
Yay!
Okay, let's hide. Oh, I do not trust that guy.
So don't talk about weapons. Unless you're talking about like claymores. But that's it. Actually no. No, actually just don't talk about weapons at all. That includes knives. What are you even doing? You died.
How? How?
You killed
Oh, and that guy died too. At least I have a friend.
You glitched yourself to death.
Huh?
For the 5th time.
How do I keep doing that? Oh, I won't.
It's because you're not supposed to play this on headset. There you do, jump. Who's your favorite Genshin character?
The old lady.
Which old lady?
The granny Etsuyi.
The granny, it's okay. Yeah. The granny from Natland. Natland's granny. Natland has the best characters. Don't listen to the newest video that we come out with soon.
Yeah.
I was going insane. I was mad that I had to film and I was hungry and I had to go to the bathroom.
And it was brain rot.
Yeah, Spunky's brain rot. And then Aliza was talking about brain rot, which is Spunky brain rot.
No! Wait, how's that cute little girl? Oh, is it still die?
I think that's an adult Aliza. Wife's, but Aliza likes the granny from Natland. I like Natland's Orcorn. I like the God of War. She's my favorite character because of her unique bike. I love running over the little fake dream knockoffs that are fat. In the middle of Natland. And finding those real biblically accurate enemies.
I'm the sailor again.
And finding those real biblically accurate enemies. And running them over. I love running over bad guys with my bikes.
I'm just gonna watch them.
I'm gonna kill him. This gal. Why are you jumping?
I don't know how to shoot.
You click. Wait, give me a second.